Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a Save As button in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this prepared font. Select here. Now simply select Start. Now click on this OK button and draw your button anywhere you want place. Now double click on this button. Open Properties box. As an add option, here you can change button name, font field visible, invisible, read only, and appearance option. You can change border color, line thickness, I choose medium, and field color, I choose white, and font size, I choose auto. Text color you can also change, and font style. Now select option and type here save as. Now select action and see the save as already showing here, and click on this arrow and click here executive menu item, select. Now select add and here you will find this save as option, select and ok and close. Again select preview. Now click on this box and see this save as dialog box already open. You can save it desktop or any other folders and select close. Again click on this save as button and see this button already working. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.